Yo, what's up guys? My name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka DK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys to do the PF snare.
Beatbox.
The PF snare is one of the most important and commonly used snare of beatboxing and is most widely used in transitions from build up to the drop of routines. And this sound, as the name suggests, is done by combining the kick drum and the F hi-hat together. And I expect you guys to know both these sounds before trying to learn this sound, and the links to the tutorials of the kick drum and the F hi-hat is linked in the description below. And once you guys get both the kick drum and the F hi-hat broken down, you just need to combine these sounds together to get the PF snare, like and just to make sure that you people get the sound, think of the word puff and emphasize on the P and the F component of the sound and remove any extra air present in between these sounds to get something like puff, puff, poof, 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 puff, puff, poof, 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 puff, puff, poof. And this sound, like most sounds of beatboxing, can be done in two ways. First, by using your lung power like, and the second by using only the pressure in your mouth like. And if you guys are just starting out, I would recommend you guys to use your lung power to get the sound out, as it helps in maintaining breath control. And once you guys are comfortable to do the sound by using your lung pressure, you can switch over to do the sound by using the pressure in your mouth. And try to keep in mind, every time you do the sound, try to make it sound as clear and precise as possible by making use of very little air when you do the sound. And once you get the sound, some practice pattern to train your sound would be and an intermediate hip hop pattern would be like. And another intermediate pattern would be like. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learned this sound, and if you people learned something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.